Okay, so today we're going to show you a Cincinnati Milacron-Heald ID grinder, internal grinder. This is a model 276. This has an extended bed. This portion here is much longer than other machines. This head can be picked up and moved from where it is now all the way to the very far end, or all the way to the beginning at the front here. You have a rack and pinion guide, so you can move that back, and then you actually go into these different holes to move the head along, unless you had some type of crane. Over here you have a 15-inch diameter 3-jaw chuck. You have a jog button. Machine is currently wired for 480 volts. This is hydraulic. I'm going to go ahead and start this up. That's the hydraulic pump. Over here you have the cross slide with your in-feed hand wheel, your spindle housing, the spindle motor, the belts, the adjustments. This is your spindle. This is the dresser. This can fold down and fold back up out of the way when you're using the machine. You also have a manual hand wheel here where we can move this by hand. That's a nice feature to have. We come in, the slide. You have different dogs down here on the bottom set up. I'm going to start my headstock. So our feed box here is feeding in each time we go in and out. This amount is controlled by here to make it less. You also have a fine feed dial. You also have the ability to feed only on one side rather than on both sides. You also have a hand little pulse feed here that you can feed this by hand. Wheel head. Start the wheel head up. Down below here is your speed for your table. And when you want to come out to the park position, you wait till this is on its way out. You step on this pedal. The carriage will move all the way to the far end. Your workpiece will shut off. When you're in this position, all the way at the end, the park position, you can use the jog button. This is disabled when you're not in this position. And to get it going again, automatically comes on. So that's the Heald 276 ID grinder, universal ID grinder. Thank you very much.